Hey squad, welcome back to Prepping with Sarge. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about these Faraday defense bags from Faraday Defense. This is the NX3 model. And stay tuned because I'm going to tell you a little bit at the end about how you can win one of these packages, which is going to include 3 of these Faraday defense bags in here. So you're going to want to check this out. I want to say a huge thank you to Prepper-Co. Let's check them out, support them for sending these out so I can test these and tell you a little bit about them. All right, so these are the Faraday defense bags, and you are going to be, when you order from Prepper-Co, you'll get a 3-pack like this. We'll open this up in a second. It's from Faraday Defense, and these are the NX3 series. And why would you want to use this, if you're brand new to this stuff, why would you want to use Faraday bags? Well, they protect your privacy so that, if your phone can be tracked, right? Like, people know that. And there might be some circumstances where, like, you don't want to have that. You want to have a little bit of privacy. This is going to give you that. But it's also going to give you some protection from, like, say, coronal mass ejections or EMP, things like that. If you wanted to protect certain electronics like your phone or maybe your biofangs, or you've got some night vision goggles, or you want to put some flashlights in there with a solar charger, things like that, there's a lot of reasons why this might be a good idea for preppers. Additionally, in the recent U.S. attack on Venezuela, there was reportedly some kind of new weapon that the U.S. is using that does some pretty catastrophic things to electronics, which is not even an EMP. It's something else that's not been declassified yet. So we know that there's new technology out there that can damage your electronics. We know we're living in some crazy times. Might not be a bad idea to protect some of your equipment, have some stuff stored back. Maybe you've got a tablet full of all of the books on, like, canning and growing and all kind of prepper skills. You've got all that stored on a tablet. That's a good thing to put in here. And again, a little whatever you're going to store, you want to have a way to also charge it up if the power's down for a long period of time. So you're going to want to have, like, a little power block, mini solar station, one of those smaller panels with a battery bank or a power station, things like that. So you've got a way to charge it up when everybody else's power is down. You'd still be able to do that. All right, let's go ahead and open these up and let's give it a test. Okay, so in the kit that I got and the kit that I'm going to be sending out to you, there was 3 of these bags. We're only going to need the small one for our test today. And what I'm going to do is we're going to put our Baofeng in here. Let's go ahead and turn it on.
Partly sunny with a 50% chance.
Okay, so we're tuned into the weather radio here. What we're going to do is we're going to turn this on, put it in the bag, and then all you have to do is you roll this over twice, and that should seal it up. Let's go ahead and see how it does. When it's done, it shouldn't be able to receive the signal, and so it should go quiet. That's how we'll know if it's working. Okay, we've got the small one here. Let's go ahead and turn our Baofeng on.
At the Charleston Air Force Base and International Airport,
I'm going to put it up real loud.
Mostly sunny. The temperature was 74 degrees. The dew point was 45. The relative humidity 35%. The wind was calm.
Check that out. Even without sealing it all the way up, you could hear the signal is blocked. Signal is blocked, right? Works as intended. Let's go ahead and open this up. And as I start to pull it out, the signal should come back on.
Relative humidity 72%. The wind was calm. At Edisto Beach State Park, the temp.
All right, now, I mentioned that we're going to be doing a giveaway. In fact, I'm going to be giving away a kit of 3 of these. To be eligible, first thing is you're going to have to be a resident of the United States. And I'm going to put the rules for all this stuff in the description down below, so make sure you check those out. Make sure you're really well versed on how we're going to do this. I don't want to hear complaints or sore losers later on, okay? So the first thing is you are going to have to be a resident of the United States because of legalities and logistics and shipping costs. Now, before you get mad and say, well, that's not fair to the international community, Old Sarge does a lot of giveaways, and I've done many that were eligible to everybody all around the world out of my own pocket. So don't get mad at me because I can only do this one to the United States. Just stay subscribed and you will see that I will have another upcoming giveaway where you're all going to be eligible for it. Okay, so everybody calm down. All right, thing number 2, you are gonna have to be 18 plus. If you're not 18 plus, you are more than welcome to have a parent or guardian enter on your behalf. This contest is not, this giveaway is not affiliated with YouTube or Google or anything like that. This is between myself and you. I want you to make sure you check prepper-co. In the description down below, I've got a link for them. And also check out Faraday Defense, who actually makes these bags, because I'm really impressed so far. And they feel really good quality. I'm really, really happy with what I'm seeing so far. The rest of the rules are going to be in the description down below. Basically, what's going to happen is at a upcoming live stream, I will do this. You have to be present in the live stream to be eligible, okay? You have to be, let me say that again. You're gonna have to be present in the live stream to be eligible. And the way that I do this is I don't tell you which live stream it is. I'm only gonna tell you that it's coming up soon from the release of this video, okay? So you wanna stay paying attention to that, come to the live stream. If you miss it, I'm sorry. I'll do more giveaways. Just stay with the channel and you'll see I'm always doing fun giveaways here, okay? So this is a good one though. These are cool product, and this is a thing that's on a lot of preppers' wish list. Maybe this is a time to knock one of those things off your wish list that you've been wanting to do. So rest of the rules will be in the description down below. Make sure you read those, familiarize yourself. No complaining later on, no sore losers. If you don't win, hey, guess what? There'll be more contests coming up, more giveaways coming up. Maybe you'll win on a future one, okay? For everybody else, let me know how you're doing. Drop a comment down below. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And again, don't forget to check out the rules and prepper.co in the link down below in the description. Keep planting your seeds, keep stacking your silver. This is Prepping with Sarge.